For all of Minnesota beginning at 12:40 p.m. and ending at 1:40 p.m. This is a coordinated Minnesota Amber Alert. This is a child abduction alert. We interrupt this program to bring you this time-sensitive message. The Lakeville Police Department is searching for a missing or abducted 3-year-old boy named Leon Ramsarin. He is a light-skinned boy about 3 feet tall, weighs 35 pounds, long-sleeve shirt with 3 black buttons on top, dark gray or black jacket, tan front hood and black boots. If you have any information regarding this missing child, call the Lakeville Police Department at 952-985-4812 or 911. Stay tuned for further instructions.